Does the idea of doing a glass skin makeup look in this humidity send shivers down your spine? Let me show you a realistic way to do it. Hi guys, I'm Ritu, a makeup artist, and you're watching me on BeBeautiful. Glass skin is legendary for giving that glowy, lit from within look that makes people look at your skin and wonder out loud, what's your routine? I'll show you how to achieve a glass skin look that doesn't feel slippery or sticky and actually lasts. The success of your makeup depends on how well you prep your skin. Us oily skin girlies skip moisturizer in the fear of looking oily, but that is counterproductive. Skipping moisturizer makes the skin produce more oil to compensate for the dryness caused. Yes, oiliness and dryness can coexist, so hydration is the key. Use a thin layer of any hydrating toner and gently pat that in. Then layer your favorite moisturizer on top and let it sink into the skin first. This is a great tip if your makeup tends to pill, so let it completely dry before moving on to the next product. Lastly, apply your SPF. Sunscreen is one of the most underrated steps in a glass skin routine. A runny sunscreen will give your skin protection and shine at the same time. It's not oily, it's glowy. Moving on to the makeup, you can guess what I'm going to use next, right? Yes, a luminizer. This product is the backbone of a glass skin makeup look. You can use it on your entire face or just the high points, mix it in your foundation, your blush, and you can even use it at the end like a highlighter. This product can truly do it all. If you're extremely oily, then you can simply go in with this because this is a highlighter and moisturizer in one, so you don't need to use two moisturizers. I'm also going to apply some pore filling primer on the areas where I have large pores because sometimes highlighting products can emphasize that. The beauty of a glass skin makeup look lies in its versatility. You can completely skip foundation and you'll still look like a glowing goddess. But I'm in the mood to apply some today, so I'm going to apply the thinnest layer to even out my face. You can also skip concealer if you don't like the feel of a lot of makeup on your face. But using a serum-like concealer will help us with any skin discoloration and make us look healthy and well rested. Bronzer is a key element of a summery makeup look. You can go in with a bronzy highlight, or mixing in some luminizer into your bronzer will make it look like you had an amazing beach vacation. Also, apply some on the crease of your eyes to give it some definition. And now let's set this makeup, and I know it feels wrong to apply powder for a glass skin look, but there is a difference in between looking oily and glowy. And if we need our makeup to survive this Indian heat and humidity, setting is a must. And now I'm going to melt this powder in with the setting spray. This will get rid of the powdery look and make the layers melt into each other. It cannot be a summery look without blush. Use red tones or dark pinks to mimic how your skin would look if you were out in the sun. I like to use a powder blush with a luminous finish for this step as it doesn't feel sticky or heavy, and it also blurs your skin while adding some color and glow at the same time. What more can you ask for? Gloss to top it all off, or use a long-lasting lip tint, whatever suits your preference. And now for the finishing touches, I'm going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara. Then I'm going to add a thin layer of a blurring finishing powder. If you're especially oily, apply another layer of setting spray, and after it dries, go over it gently with the powder puff. And lastly, I'm also going to add some highlighter on the high points of the face to reinforce the glow. I hope these tips and tricks help you have a glass skin summer. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to BeBeautiful for more amazing tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!